Hello everybody, my name is Mr.Galaxus and today we are making English muffins. Now if you don't know what those are, I really advise you to look at what they are first before you try making them. They're very delicious. I've made them before a few times. Very much enjoyed them, and I'm going to be showing you how to make them today. Now you're going to start off by taking a quarter of a cup of milk and a tablespoon of milk, same amount of water, and heating them until they're warm. You see, like I've got them here. They aren't warm yet, but I'm gonna warm them up, and they're gonna be only warm, lukewarm even, and then gonna stir in some yeast. To be exact, half a tablespoon of yeast. Or was it a tablespoon? Don't worry, I know my measurements. Half a tablespoon of yeast. If just in case, all measurements are in the description, and they're for sure, okay? So half a tablespoon of yeast, and I'm gonna be back when I do that. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're back here. Our yeast is bloomed in the water. It did bubble up. The bubbles subsided though. And we're just gonna mix it in with the flour, salt, sugar, and the vegetable oil. Now you could exchange the vegetable oil for butter, but I'm using vegetable oil because it's easier. So we're just gonna add everything together. All the measurements are in the description, and I can just tell you, like for me, for the amount of liquid I have, I used 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of sugar there, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Same thing for butter, also 1 tablespoon. So we're just gonna mix it all together, and after you mix it in, you're just gonna knead it for about 10 minutes. You can knead it for less, you can knead it for more. Just don't overknead, don't knead for like 15 minutes. You can knead for 11, you can knead for 8. But like, who has the time, you know what I mean? You're just gonna mix it in, just make it clumpy. It's gonna become a shaggy dough. If you see that it's a bit too hydrated, you could add a pinch of flour, not a pinch, but you could add some flour. If you said it's too hydrated, mine seems to be fine, you can see it. Yeah, it's looking fine. I don't think I'm gonna add any flour. It has to be a little sticky, just a little bit though. And after you just mix this in, I'm actually gonna put this on the table. Okay. Now I put it on the table. I don't know if you can see this, it's not really necessary. I'm just gonna add a little bit of flour because it seemed a bit too watery for me. So we're just gonna knead this. First of all, we're gonna make it into 1 clump because it's very shaggy. Just make it all into 1 clump and knead it for about 10 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I've kneaded my dough and it has become very smooth. I'm just gonna place it in a bowl, let it rest for an hour, let it rise, and I'll see you then. Okay, so as you can see, I have waited an hour, and this is how it looks like. It's a bit bigger, but I've degassed it, like I've punched the dough down. You have to do that. Now you're gonna roll this into like a sheet, basically, a sheet, and you're gonna cut out circles with anything that looks like a circle. I'm gonna use my mug. Okay, as you can see, I got 13 little discs here. Some of them didn't fit in this pan, so I just use a plate. Now, all you're gonna do is just lightly flour whatever you're using, like a baking dish or a plate. Just place them there and let them rest for, as I said before, 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, as you can see, this is what they look like. I was actually very shocked, because if you just look at them like here, they don't look like they rised at all after half an hour. But no, look, they're actually like, they did something, and that was this is actually shocking to me. This is the first batch, and I told my mom, I was like, they didn't work, I'm not gonna continue this video. But no, they actually worked. Like, what the hell? Like, you tricked me. But yeah, this is how you make them, and it's actually not that difficult to process. Just don't give up like I was almost going to. All right, just learn from my mistakes. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed me making English muffins. I'm gonna continue making these and eat a couple of them. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Yeah, peace.